unpacking the phrase, "got a nasty sunburn." Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might sound simple but carries a lot of meaning, especially for those who love spending time outdoors. We're talking about, got a nasty sunburn. If you've ever enjoyed a day at the beach a little too much, you might be all too familiar with this phrase. But what does it really mean, especially for learners of the English language? Let's break it down together. The phrase, "got a nasty sunburn," is made up of a few components, each worth exploring. Got. In this context, got is a past tense verb that indicates receiving or experiencing something. This article is used here to introduce a singular noun. Nasty, an adjective that describes something as being unpleasant or severe. Sunburn, a condition where the skin becomes red, sore, and sometimes blistered because of too much exposure to the sun's ultraviolet, UV, rays. So, when someone says they got a nasty sunburn, they're telling you that they've experienced a particularly unpleasant or severe form of sunburn. Understanding when and how to use this phrase can help you communicate more effectively in English. Here are a few examples. After a day at the beach, I forgot to reapply my sunscreen and got a nasty sunburn. During a vacation, she spent so much time by the pool without shade and got a nasty sunburn. In a warning, be careful if you're going hiking tomorrow, you don't want to get a nasty sunburn. This phrase is commonly used in casual conversations, especially during the summer months or in places with strong sunlight. It's also important to understand the cultural and health implications of this phrase. Getting a sunburn, especially a nasty one, is often seen as a sign of carelessness about one's health. Prolonged exposure to the sun without protection can lead to serious health issues, including skin cancer. In many cultures, taking precautions to avoid sunburn is not just about comfort but also about health consciousness. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, "got a nasty sunburn." It's a common expression that carries important implications about health and safety, as well as cultural attitudes towards sun exposure. Remember, while enjoying the sun, always take the necessary precautions to protect your skin. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explainer helpful. Stay safe, and see you in our next video.